How to check iCloud activation lock on iPhone before buying. A locked iPhone can't be activated without the original owner's Apple account, so here's how to check it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap the Apple account name at the top of the screen. If you see someone else's account instead of yours, that's a warning sign. Scroll to the bottom and look for the Sign Out option. If the current owner can't sign out because they don't know the Apple account password, the device may still be linked to their account, and you should avoid buying it. For another check, go back to Settings page. Then tap on General and tap on About. Scroll down until you find the IMEI number. Press and hold it, then tap Copy. Next, open your browser and search for an iPhone IMEI activation lock checker. Paste the IMEI into a trusted checker and run the scan. If the results show that Find My iPhone is still enabled, the iPhone is likely protected by activation lock. If Find My is turned off, the device is generally ready to be activated by a new owner. For the safest purchase, always ask the seller to sign out of their Apple account and disable Find My iPhone before you complete the transaction. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.